Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to enable shape mode or enter your Google Pixel 10 into shape mode. By default, hidden the shape mode settings on your device. To enable or boot into shape mode on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro or 10 Pro XL or any other Pixel device, open the power menu on your device. So swipe down the notification panel twice on the top. Tap on the power button icon at the bottom right. Now you can see the power menu on your Pixel device. So long press the power up button until you can see the reboot to shape mode pop up. So long press power up. Now you can see reboot to shape mode option here on your device. So tap on the OK to enter your Google Pixel 10 into shape mode. Now you can see restarting your Pixel 10 series. Shape mode is the helpful to check if any third party application is pushing the issue or not on your device. So wait until your device enter into the shape mode. When your pixel device enter into shape mode, you can see the shape mode icon at the bottom left corner on your pixel devices or any other Android device. Also, when shape mode is enabled, disable all the third party application or disable all downloaded application. Now here you can see the shape mode icon at the bottom left corner. Now unlock your device. Now you can see the shape mode at the bottom left corner. Now here you can see disable the third party application. Now this is the only system default application you can access on your device. Here you can see disable third party application or download application. When we tap on it, you can see downloaded app disable in the shape mode message on your device. So you can only access the system default apps. If you can't find the any issue in the shape mode, that means any third party application pushing the problem on your device, like any app pressing issue, app pressing issue, your pixel device running slow, or a touchscreen not working issue, or any other related issue on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Android device. So you can use the shape mode to check if any downloaded application facing issue on your device. So shape mode is a very helpful feature to check any third party application pushing the problem on your device. So you can see the shape mode at the bottom right corner or access only system default application. To exit this shape mode, you need to again restart your device or power up your device. So again we swipe down the notification panel from the top, tap on the power button icon, tap on the restart. Now restarting your Pixel 10 device. So wait until restart your device and you can see remove the shape mode icon from the bottom left corner, and you can also access the all downloaded application or third party application from your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel devices. So wait until restart your Google Pixel device. So easy, it's quite also easy to exit the shape mode on your Pixel device or any other Android. Just restart or power up your device to turn off the shape mode or exit the shape mode. Now you can see remove the shape mode icon from the bottom left corner. Now unlock your phone and you can also access the third party application. Now here you can see the third party application enabled. Just open it you want on your device. You can easily access third party application on your Samsung on your Pixel 10 series. That's it. Do you like this shape mode on your device? Please comment in the below section. Thank you for watching this.